Generally, yes, and they serve the very purpose that is implied by their name, maintenance association. So it's for the maintenance of the common areas, and then also too, there may be limited common areas which are only serve a portion of the members, but the association has to collect fees for those as well. And those fees are for maintenance, they are for replacement of damaged items, and they are also there for repairs, for necessary repairs. And all that costs money. So if there's an issue with the pool, or there's an issue with the decking, or an issue with the gate, if you're in a gated community, those monies to pay those vendors that will fix those things has to come from somewhere. And that's where they come from. They come from the maintenance assessments. And then you have the other different kinds of assessments. You have special assessments, specific assessments. But by and large, the monthly or the quarterly or the annual assessments that are charged to persons in an HOA or a condominium or for maintenance, repair and replacement of common area items. So the items that everybody gets to enjoy in a community, they have to be paid for by all the members of the community, and that's what maintenance assessments are for.